Morning Shedders. Today we're going to answer the age-old question: does an R6 throttle body tube actually make a good quick action throttle? Now, first of all, what is a quick action throttle? A quick action throttle is a throttle where you don't have to do as much throw to get from zero throttle to full throttle. So on a standard throttle, it's quite a long throw to get to full throttle. Now, hopefully, if this works, on a quick action throttle or an R6 throttle, you only have to turn about a quarter turn to get to full throttle. Now, what does that mean? It means that you're not having to readjust if you're going down a straight and you've got your wrist like that. It's also more comfortable because obviously if it's a long straight like this all the time, it puts pressure on your wrist. Some people say, oh no, but it'll cause you to have a big high side because you know you don't have to pull it round as far. But you know, if you're a fairly smooth rider, you can quite easily deal with that. I can't see anybody. It doesn't turn it into a switch. It still has that throw. It's just you don't pull it as far. So this is my 1999 Speed Triple 955i. I use on the track, and occasionally I'll take it on the road as well, but not much these days. So I'm going to mark up this original throttle tube, and see if fitting the new one, that's got a better twist or a shorter twist or a shorter throw than the old one. Okay, so that's marked up. So we'll take the throttle apart to fit the R6 throttle. Just 2 bolts. Cable out. Slide the new throttle on. Fit the cable in. Trying best not to mark the markings off it. Show where the old throttle got to. Still there. Sleeve back on.
Hey guys, it's Ben, his son. Don't forget to like and subscribe today. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more stuff like this. Yeah, goodbye for now. See you in the next video.
So, this is now back on. R6 throttle, marked up the same point as the old one. against the housing, then we twist it, and it's exactly the same point as the Triumph throttle. So the R6 throttle tube, which is from a 2006 to I think 2015 R6, put on the speed triple, and it makes no difference to the amount of throw to go from zero throttle to full throttle. So we've proved conclusively that the R6 throttle mod doesn't work.